the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video. Hey guys, it's me Electro. So in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing this photo control sensor which is installed over here. Up there, you might have seen that same thing in the D.I.Y tube light video. So we are gonna remove it and I'm gonna explain you features about that. So we've removed it. So this has three wires. That's the sensor. It has the bracket and the tape I have applied. So I have three wires in this. Now red is the load, white is the neutral and black is the light. So let's remove that tape. That tape is just to prevent the tube light's light from making this switch itself automatically off. Oh, what's wrong with the room? So just left that upper part because it's neatly applied, the lower part is not neat. Yeah, that's the sensor and yeah. So the light, when it reaches the sensor, it will cause it to switch off. So this is just to work with that CFL because we switch it on in the night when the society's light is on, and that time it will switch off. So I've applied the tape again perfectly as the original. So let's open it up and see how it is inside. So yeah guys, that's the inside of the sensor. We have that relay, we have the photo control sensor, we have the simple circuit board which we use with three wires. Yeah, that's the resistors and capacitor, everything. So now let's install it back. The camera quality was bad, that is why I did not do much. Now after this is installed, we'll have a connection diagram of how to connect this. Yeah guys, now we have this connection diagram. It's a simple diagram. You will find this diagram in the links in the description. I'm also going to give the buy link of Amazon and Banggood in the description. So this is the sensor installed as usual, how it was before. Now let's test it because it was dusty and all that shit. You can see the light is glowing because the switch inside the room is turned on. This is going to the room, the pipe. Now my brother will throw some light using the torch on that sensor. The tube light will switch off. Yes, so that happens when the CFL is turned on. Now my brother will remove the light. It will turn on. Yeah, it should turn on any movement. When this turn on, the relay clicks, and then yeah, kaboom! It's awesome. So now guys, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the society's CFL. So to show the working of this light, how it is. Now the society CFL is working. You can see the light switched off. Now after this, switch the CFL off. It should turn on back again. Let's wait. Yeah, the light's off. Now this tube light will turn on again. Yes. This is just for emergency purposes. This is connected to the inverter at night. So guys, this is the simple way the sensor works. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.